Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can connect AirPods to this device. So at first we have to open charging case of our AirPods, and next when we rotate this device, here we can find the power key, the pairing key. So we have to click and hold this key until this indicator starts blinking on white color. It means that they are in the pairing mode, and we can release that key and smoothly move to our Bluetooth settings. So open notification bar, click and hold the Bluetooth icon to enter the Bluetooth settings, and right now you have to click right here, and when the AirPods pops on the available device list, we have to simply tap on them to connect. So now just wait a little bit, and as you can see, here it is. So simply tap on it, then click OK to accept the pairing, and here we are connected. So as you can see, it was very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.